Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with debit card on Nintendo Switch eShop. So let's get into the video. So open up the Nintendo Store site here and then log into your account. So if you have an account, just log into your account, and then if you want to pay with your card, so what you're going to do, you're going to just add an item to your card so that we can get to the payment page or the checkout page. So I'm just going to go, just choose anything, add it to your card. So like here, so I've just added this item to my card. So that's done. Then I'm going to hit on this secure checkout session here. So click on secure checkout, and then here, okay, it's just asking for my password for authentication, so I'll just do that. Okay, and then now, so when I get to this checkout page here, so once this loads, so here I'm just going to fill in my address and all those details here. So we'll just get that done so that I can go to the payment section. So I'll just get that, and then yep, that's fine. Okay, so that's all done. So I hit on continue. So now I'm going to go to the payment. So when I get to the payment option here on this page here, so what I have to do is, that's by shipping all those details, and then here under payment details, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply type in my card details. So if you have a debit card, so simply whether it's a MasterCard or Visa card, so just type in the card details here, just plug in all those information and then hit on purchase, and that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.